Alright. Today, oh my god, we are on Blood Escape 2 again. Listen, don't judge me. Anyway, we're doing the no button challenge. So we can't press a button no matter what. Not like any of these buttons down here, like a button in the map. See, look, we can spectate people. Like, I'm gonna spectate this guy. I don't know why I did, because we're about to start. 7 out of 7 are about to survive. Let's do this. Come on, come on. Let's get the Civil War on. No shout out to them. Yesterday, milk. That is gross. Alright, we're going too hard. Lava Tower. This one I gotta be crazy about. This one I gotta do. It's hard to play through a camera. Okay, jeez. Someone go sacrifice their life. Alright. Yesterday, milk. Did the pleasure. No! I'm a level 10, but I suck. But we are doing the no button challenge. I don't know why it's so hard. I don't know why. I need to fix my camera angle. Oh my god. You guys see? You guys see? Huh? Alright. I think that's a good angle. If you guys can see. Alright. Alright. Now I can see what I'm doing. Alright, this guy survived. And the other guy, which is a level 5, survived. Look, I only failed that because I was looking through the camera, and that is pretty hard, okay? That's pretty hard. Pretty hard to play a game while you're looking through a camera. Okay? Don't judge me. So this is our second round. We're probably gonna do like 3 more. Sorry, I had to fix my camera. No button challenge, don't go up there. Oh! I almost jumped off. Yeah, see, now I'm much better. Oh crap. Yes, my mouth is right next to the camera because I'm holding the camera with my face. Trying to see what I'm doing. Did you guys see that save? Oh, come on. Glitch. Come on. Ah. Remains at normal. 3 out of 7 survived. So, our third round is about to begin. Forgotten Tombs. No one ever goes and presses the button. But we can't do it. 3 people have to go over there. Alright. Oh! For the sake of people. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. 1 more. Go over there. Yes! Yes! We will survive. That guy sacrificed his life. I don't know if he actually did or not. I'm just saying that because I want to act like a hero. I'm not going to press that button. I can't. I'm doing the no button challenge. You guys not understand that? This is going on YouTube. Alright, go. Now I'm going to troll these guys. Alright, I'm going to wait for someone else to come up here with me. Someone else. Come on. You know what? We're getting a 3-strike rule. 3-strike rule. That's 1 strike! Oh my god, I should have pressed the button earlier. I know this is a no button challenge, but I just gotta do it, man. You know? Go. Zoink. Apparently these noobs don't know the way to go. Yeah, that guy just glitched. Did anyone see that? He just glitched. Alright, there's our 4th round. Next round will be our final round. No! No, I'm not dying today. I literally have my nose clenched together. I am so concentrated. Fifth and final round. It's coming. My elbow hurts. Increased to normal. If we go to a hard, I will keep it here. Oh my god, this is an easy map. This should be an easy map, not a normal. I mean, it does have lava included, so easy don't have lava. Come on, two more people. One more person. Come on, that guy. Ronald McDonald. Are you goo? You kidding? Someone. Yes. You may have sacrificed your life, but I don't care about your life. I care about my life more than I care about yours. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not a mean person. You ever see me out in public? Don't be afraid to come up and say hi to me, even if I'm with my mom. Oh, he already pressed the button. It means... Oh no! No! You know what? It's not going to increase anyway. Let's just see if it increases. Let me turn the camera. Yeah, no. Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. All that amazing stuff. We will get the max skin soon. We're at 230 coins. So, see ya!